Northern Maine home for sale. This is a new Maine real estate listing. 3 Pleasant Court, Houlton, Maine. This is Houlton, Maine. That's the county seat for Aroostook County. This is where Route 1, Route 2, Route 2A, Interstate 95 all connect and hook up with the Trans-Canada. This is Market Square, where we have a neat farmers market in the summer. Midnight Madness around the 4th of July, where all the merchants get together and there's fireworks, all kinds of families get together. We're heading to 3 Pleasant Court in Houlton, Maine. Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. Thanks a lot for joining our real estate channel. We know you're in a hurry. What can I tell you? Over 2,200 square feet, vinyl siding, short walk to everything, metal roof, 2 bathrooms, 3+ bedrooms. And there's a double garage. Woo! The best thing is no traffic and you're near the rec center. This is Parks and Rec. Plus there's a big 18-acre park, community park, and indoor skating arena. This home is a short walk to everything, and you're in a neighborhood of some nice old Victorian houses. There's tennis courts, the school, walk to the movies, walk downtown, out to eat. Where is Pleasant Court? If you ask the average guy, where's Pleasant Court? Oh yeah, they know where Pleasant Street is. Pleasant Court. Can I do a shout out? Can I call someone? This is Pleasant Court. This is Bob Blanchette that lives on the corner that I worked in radio with. Nice little cul-de-sac. That's it. Just in and out. Don't have a lot of cul-de-sacs in Houlton, Maine. I think there's this one. There's one over on Chandler Court. This is your double garage, metal roof, all kinds of updates. We're excited about this one. This is your neighborhood, well kept, single family residence. Nothing's for sale. So you got the idea, you're not going to need 2 cars. You don't even need 1 car. You're actually about 3 blocks from County Yankee Grocer. The trees really add some privacy. So you have a little place to do your gas grilling. There's an outside entrance to the basement. There's an inside entrance to the basement. This is the back of your garage. And are there houses behind you? Heck no. It's like Sherwood Forest. There's trees, some wildlife, some birds, but not people. Paved driveway, double garage, and a bonus room. We'll show you what we mean on the inside. This one has all the little features you don't see in most of your 3-bedroom, 2-bath homes. For starters, it's bigger than 1,008 square feet, like a shoebox ranch. See the recessed lighting? You've got double ovens in your range top electric stove. Refrigerator, there's a new dishwasher, hasn't even been used. There's a pass-through to a cathedral, kind of a cedar tongue and groove room that's a bonus room. Put a hot tub, your mother-in-law's apartment, exercise room, home office. You have space. If you don't have space, you don't have all the elbow room. And this one's loaded with features. We're not just gonna run through it and gloss over. Most houses don't have an entry foyer, because I guess you didn't entertain in your newer houses. This was built in 1927. This has all been opened up. They added all kinds of lolly columns. It's well supported. So your kitchen flows into your formal dining room, or this can all be living room. There's a bonus room on the way to the garage. This could be a work from home location. That's a farmer's sink. See the ceramic backsplash? Butcher top block counters, center island, and check these sliding glass doors out. Aren't they nice? Rather than describing rooms, we're looking at areas. Where you put the furniture defines the room space. See the recessed lighting? That's nice at night when you turn off these fan lights. You have 4 or 5 areas, a full bath, a laundry on this level. This is all cathedral cedar. That is one big honkin' light too. It's just perfect for this area. It wouldn't fit in your little 8x10 room in your ranch. This is exercise room, a first floor bedroom. It's a home office. It's divided in 2. How would you use this hobby area? I think with these cubbies, this would be a great daycare. Why? You're not far from the schools, the park. It's a no traffic location, so mom and dad aren't worried about the little ones. You could walk the kids to the park, take them to reading time at the library. This is a neat location for a home business. Double garage, and the doors really work. The garage has a drain. There's a paved driveway, parking lot out in front. The lot, about 90 feet of frontage on this cul-de-sac. Chance for a workshop, or maybe you moonlight and do some things in your garage. This would be a good place to do those little repairs on your own trail toys, car, truck, whatever you're a MacGyver on. This is your neighborhood. Pretty quiet. Everything's well taken care of. There's pride of ownership. Nothing's for sale. So like what you see so far? Please make comments down below on what you like, how you would use it, or questions. You need some answers to things we didn't cover in the video. We all learn together. Please look down below and make some comments. Fan light in your 10x10 bathroom that has marble countertop and an oversized vanity. Space. Again, over 2,200 square feet. They didn't chintz on the space. 6-panel pine doors too. Ditch those dirty clothes in here, kids. I love the transoms. They add a airy, kind of a anything but stuffy feel to the house. You just don't see transoms. It's a lot of little features in this home. Washer dryer stay. The table for folding that laundry. Putting the cleaning supplies underneath that stand. Pretty nice downstairs, but they didn't cut any corners on the second level. Get prepared for marble, tile, more hardwood flooring. Most agents don't make a big deal about these transition spaces, but it's not a tight little hall. It's like a room. And see the 2 transoms on the stairway heading up to the second level? Hardwood floors. Tile for wainscoting. And yes, that's granite with a special edge to it. Kitchens you see in the corner of your nicer hotels. New refrigerator. You have some drawers. There's water. This could be a little coffee station for that traveling nurse that you rent out your place to. More indirect lighting, crown molding, recessed lights, hardwood floors. See the wainscoting? Raised paneled and the tile kind. I love the angles. The stone, the granite. This is not looks like tile. It is tile. Someone is or hired a mason. Modern windows that really work, that are the insulated vinyl kind. So that's kind of a bonus room or an upstairs living room den for your kids. And again, not a dinky hall that's dark that you bang into with furniture when you're moving in. It's space, an area, a hall room that has its own closet, a floor-to-ceiling mirror, 3 bedrooms. Built-in bureau, closet, there's hardwood floors under this brand new rug. I know there's a race to yank out rugs. I don't blame you if they're harvest gold, but this is the right-in style gray, just like the siding, the black metal roofing. Bedroom 1 of 3, unless you commission some of those bonus areas downstairs into bedroom use. This bedroom, kind of a carbon copy, built-in bureau, has a closet. The crown molding, recessed lighting. Lighting adds so much to the ambience of a room. It makes your space more enjoyable. Here's what it looks like with the main ceiling light off. See the tongue and groove wood ceiling? So 2 bedrooms, this and this one are pretty similar. Here's another large one that gets southern exposure sun and eastern morning sunlight. More crown molding, recessed lighting, has a fan, hardwood floors underneath that area rug, and there's a double closet. Oversized, 2 windows. This is move-in ready, quick occupancy too. That might be the best feature for someone that has to get those kids in school or get your job lined up to get the transfer complete. Move-in ready. Lots of disclaimers with this one. Yes, you could bring a king-size bed because this cabinet is just torque screwed into place. It can move. Behind the clock, there's an electrical plug-in. How would you ever know? You could think that was a battery operated. That would be ideal for a big screen TV. Nice. Someone thought of everything. There's things in here that you don't see first time through, but then you pick up that that was pretty smart. Person that owns this house loves this house. It was slowly home cooked, baked into what it is today. It wasn't a slam it together. They were going to live here, and then another Victorian happened to come out. Otherwise, they would be living and enjoying this house. They've got it all prepped. Everything is ship-shape for you. Quick occupancy, move-in ready, and no job jar, no repairs. Vinyl siding, metal roof, new furnace, hardwood floors, granite, marble, all kinds of indirect lighting, built-in cabinetry, sliding glass doors in the kitchen. All the appliances come, but probably the best thing is where it is. This double garage, over 2,200 square foot living space, is on a cul-de-sac. No traffic going by. No losing your cat or your dog. It's a short walk. It's actually quicker to walk to the band concert, the library, the downtown, the school. You don't need 2 vehicles and all the overhead in this location. Yep, I'm pretty excited about this spot. This is one convenient location for a family. Or make it into a duplex. There is an outside entrance by that grilling station. Here's the inside way to trot down to the basement. How do you like it cooked? Medium rare or cooked to a crisp? Have it your way when you've got your own grilling station. Here's the basement. Here's your outside entrance to the basement. They've got it all sealed in. These walls have that new high-tech, very insulative valued spray-on foam. High ceilings. I'd have to jump to try to get that rafter. See how they're all cross-bridged and the box sills are filled in? New water heater. New furnace. Circuit breaker wiring. There's another entry in the garage. See all the PEX tubing? Those bathrooms, kitchen, the plumbing was updated. And they did put registers down here. You've got a ton of living space upstairs, but see how they supported everything? No creaks. It's an open, clear span, but it's well supported. Done the right way. All kinds of junk in the basement to deal with because the last guy left it there? Nope, not with this one. What would you use this space for? It's just begging for a pool table. My kids like playing foosball. I'd like to have the house where all my kids' friends congregate. Grocery bill's a little higher, but you know what's going on with your kids and there's nothing to worry about. Heck of a Parks and Rec program, summer reading program. The arena has Sam Hop. There's a soapbox derby hill. So if they're not skating or racing down the hill or playing tennis, basketball, Houlton is great for raising kids. This is where they chill. Big screen TV, all their friends are here. But maybe you're going to use it for hobbies. You're a quilter, you like to make things, or you're a therapist, or you are a hairdresser. All of that could happen in this extra bonus region. Or I guess if you wanted to, you got a 2-car garage. This could have a regular door put in and bring your snow sled, your trail toys in. It's your call, but at least there's the space to not dream about, to actually have and use. Looking for a new Maine real estate listing? This is a northern Maine home for sale in Houlton, Maine. It's located at 3 Pleasant Court, which is near everything in Houlton, Maine. Walk it, don't drive it.